ZENA stock analysis, Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ZENA Tech's been sitting at 771, 25% downside movement today. So where are we heading next? First of all, obviously all I'm sticking to is a strategy that I've refined over 32,000 videos over the last 4 years after spending thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. So with ZENA, I do have like definitely a lot of data to see what has worked for me, what has not. And here I was looking to take it long only if I saw that proper Wyckoff accumulation, and I'm yet to see it. I have not seen that yet. Right, this is why this is still going to be like a waiting sign. I've come here to the 15-minute. Actually, let's go 5. From what we have at least here, I would need to see a double break past some highs here in order for me to long this, because I've seen like something the price giving me here was not there to capitalize on it. So the only right thing to do for me, for me to long this is going to be a double break from here on. So that's how ZENA looks like. I'll just do this. If I see that double break, cool. If I don't, then it's also cool. Put this in here, normal. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.